Hello and welcome to your Glow course with me, Priya. The eye area, we are going to be working on the entire eye muscle, targeting fine lines and wrinkles, crow's feet, under eye bags, hooded eyes, and even dark circles. The aim is to relieve the stress in this overworked muscle and give your eyes an awake and energetic experience. The skin around the eyes is very thin, so please make sure you are gentle and don't overstretch your muscles. Also, make sure the skin around the eyes is lightly moisturized before you practice, even if you have applied moisturizer in the morning. Come on, face yogis, let's get glowing. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Take your thumbs and index fingers and grab the top of your ears. Drop your jaw slightly and pull ears back to a 45-degree angle. Take a deep breath and hold for 5 seconds. Now hold the center part of your ear and similarly pull back. Take a deep breath and hold for 5 seconds. Now grab the lower portion of your ear. Pull down and back 45 degrees, dropping jaw slightly. Hold for 5 seconds. Now take your thumbs and index fingers and gently rub all over from the back of your ear, all the way from the upper lobe down, and completely relax. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Place your index and middle fingers on the outer corner of your eyes. Spread fingers slightly apart and pull back gently at a 45-degree angle. Look straight at a point in a distance and tighten your focus by gently squeezing your eyes for 5 seconds. Keep breathing. Keep squeezing. Close your eyes. Come out of the pose and relax. Take 4 fingers and place them flat on your forehead above your eyebrows. Open your eyes wide, fix your gaze at a point, and gently start to squeeze your eyes for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Now open your eyes as wide as possible and hold for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, shoulders relaxed. 5, 4, 3, keep breathing. 2 and 1. Come out of the pose and smile. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Curl your hands into a C shape. Place the index fingers above the eyebrows and thumbs on either side of the nostril, making sure there is no gap between the hands and the eyes. Adjust your elbows accordingly. Apply gentle pressure. Look at a point ahead of you and tighten your gaze by gently squeezing your eyes for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes tight. Take an inhale, exhale, and without wrinkling your forehead, open your eyes wide as possible and hold for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Come out of the pose and relax.